lah itu. Nah, jadi kok yang pohon coklat-coklat yang garing-garing nih, ini yang dua terbakar. Kemana kau kocok naik pohon gini bisa nih?
We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us.
Oke, kawan-kawan, ini sudah teh sunrise. Jadi kalau datang sini, yang rugi kawan-kawan.
You show me your heart, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, way too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, open when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
Tapi yang sangat disayangkan karena kebakaran tuh jadi ya akses mau ke rumah pohon jadi rusak nih kawan-kawan. Sinta mau naik bagaimana? Kayaknya sih bisa kau.
Masih mau bagaimana nih? Weh, ternyata sabarang curang di bawah sana nih. Jatuh sekali sih bisa kontak lubang. Ini benar tahu naik tertutup.
No.
Bisa kan naik kok? Weh, stop. Buka sepatu tuh.
No.
Long fights, it felt right. We were alive. We would go out. We were so proud. We were so proud. We had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless. We were fearless. We were reckless. Time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate.